We made it. We're all here. We're all here. Steven, say hi.
Hi.
So, our train was supposed to leave at, what, 9:38? And we got on right around 9:38. Thank God it was delayed by 5 minutes because we were waiting for our McDonald's. Here we are eating some bomb-ass pizza!
€5.
€5 for this gigantic thing. They only have two types, margarita and what? Marinara? Sorrento. But we're not staying in Sorrento, it's just a quick stopover.
Flyover.
Brian needs to see the view, he's been driving. Guy's a champ.
Stressed out.
Stressed as F after that ride through Naples. We've arrived here and this is how we're bringing the bags up. Going all the way up somewhere there. A little bit of traffic jam there. Alright, where are we?
What's up, guys? We are currently in the Amalfi Coast, particularly in the tipping part of the Amalfi Coast, in particular Positano. Now, what you're about to see is truly magnificent.
Takes approximately an hour to walk up here, but just from that road right there. Somehow we had to wind our way all the way from there, this way, all the way up, down some stairs, come back over, and finally we are here. And it is beautiful out. Guys, you have a visitor. Currently halfway through the walk from our Airbnb down to the beach. No, halfway to the entrance of where we're supposed to be for the main road. We've taken 112 of these steps and we're not even halfway there. Check out the size of these lemons.
Life gives you lemons.
My God, the size of Brian's head. We are currently looking up, trying to find where exactly our Airbnb is. We're thinking it's somewhere around here?
I think we're right over there.
Yeah, it might be that close too.
Steven writing a little postcard for mommy.
And friends, too.
And friends. So tall, just soaking in the rays. And me getting stung by jellyfish. Alright, Steven. Why are you walking barefoot?
Sandals broke, so I gotta walk all the way up the mountain barefoot.
Guys, hi.
What's up, Harry?
Check out this cool layout. Heading to Tagliata. Buonasera, paparazzo. We are like Tagliata.
You're missing one.
And they are serving us some food with a view.